Hey guys, I am Nikhil Tiwari. I am from LNCT Bhopal, Computer Science and Engineering Department.
Hi, I am Ayush Dhiman from the Department of Computer Science, NIT Hamipur.
Hi guys, I am Shivam from Galgotia University, Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
Hi guys, I'm Ajay from CS Department at College of Engineering and Technology.
And we are teammates.
Do you know that the incidence of dengue has been increased over the last 50 years? More than 50 to 100 million people were affected due to this disease, putting half of the world population under risk. There is no specific treatment for dengue. Earlier prediction and proper medical care will help us to reduce the dengue disease over 1%. But thanks to machine learning, which help us to predict in the future also. Project does it predicts the total number of cases of dengue that occurs on futures on the basis of features like temperature, humidity, and time of year on the total exactly of 24 features.
Hello guys, I'm going to tell you about the data set we have. So our data set consists of basically 3 files in CSV format. One contain training features which we fed to our ML model. Other one contain corresponding levels, and the last file consists of testing feature for which we have to predict our output. Overall, the feature were aggregated through US environmental agencies. The second part is data preprocessing. We had 1456 example in training set for 2 cities which are San Juans and Equitas, which were given. There were many missing values in data set. So our first task was to deal with those values which are missing. For that we use mean imputation method. After that we made one correlation matrix between the feature and one heat map. On the basis of that we get the feature which are useful for us, and which features are good to predict best. So we got those feature from these correlation matrix and heat map, and we got some feature and applies those in model.
So our data was ready to fit into the model. We split our data into training and validation set and use it to fit our training models. So our first approach was linear regression. The mean absolute error for the validation set was around 26. So clearly the model was overfitting. So to deal with it, we used another method like ridge regression and lasso regression, but the mean absolute error was not improved that much.
As we saw that the linear regression model was not sufficient to get the desired result, so our next approach was to try with a neural network with a certain number of hidden layers. We started with smaller neural network and found that the result was not sufficient as per our requirement. Means the mean absolute error were approx 24 to 28. So basically what we did, we switched again back to that regression models, some of which were precision tree, XGBoost, and we found that XGBoost was giving the best result. Means on submission we get near approx 24 mean absolute error.
We tried every possible way to tune our XGBoost model for better results, but it did not seem to improve further. So we moved to other approaches. We decided to work more on data rather than the model.
So we found that the data should be enriched or means modified or refined means for the better prediction results. And for basically the first step we performed was combining the data set for the training and testing for both the cities San Juans and Iquitos. And then the next step we did was feature enrichment, in which we, instead of dropping the columns, combined the columns and took a mean of those columns, and the columns we took was that reanalysis temperature and station temperature, and performing this task. And then the next step we performed was that time series analysis on the data set we have obtained. The time series analysis gave us a result that depicts that the features which were important to us were reanalysis temperature, station temperature, and that precipitation and humidity. So in this way we were able to extract the most important features, and then we again trained our model on these features, and we were able to get a mean absolute error of 19.8134, which was the best result till now. So in this way, the algorithm we used was dual linear regression with the help of the time series analysis and our feature extraction and feature enrichment. So we were able to gain a rank of approx 190 in the competition of near about 7,000 participants. So we as team 8 were able to achieve a rank of 197 in the competition, and this was our project on the Driven Data competition website. Thank you and have a nice day.